guys, I'm Sam and today I'll be sharing you the 5 most important tips for communication assessment. So don't miss these 5 tips because this is the final assessment before your interview. So please remain on the video and watch till end and make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. So guys, you have cleared all of your previous rounds like behavioral, technical and coding round. So this is the final assessment. Make sure you give your best to this round so that you can clear your interview because interview will be dead easy and it will not be so hard. So the 5 tips would be the test duration would be 30 minutes and the first section will be story based questions. You will be hearing the story, the AI will pronounce and tell you the story. According to that you will be giving an answer, and after that there will be conversation from person 1 to person 2. So you'll be receiving you will be hearing the conversation between them, and then according to that you will be getting the questions and you will be have to answer. Make sure you pronounce it very clearly. Doesn't matter if you read slow or read fast, but you make sure you pronounce it very clearly because AI will hear your pronunciation. According to that they will generate an answer in the back end. Make sure you pronounce it very clearly. And I will tell you that do not speak very much fast, because when you speak fast AI will not able to detect what you are saying and then your score will be very low. Make sure you do not speak very fast. Make sure you uh, saying and pronunciation would be very slow. And after that read aloud. There will be few sentences AI will be giving you, and you have to read those sentences according to the picture and according to the sentences you will be seeing on the screen. And after that listen and repeat. The AI will say 1 or 2 lines, then you have to exactly pronunciate and repeat those sentences. Okay, and after that they will be filling the blanks. So suppose AI will be saying I'll be going dash on the weekend. Okay, so you have to fill anything according to your mindset at that time. You can fill anything, any relevant thing. And after that grammar correction, AI will say any word, any sentences. Suppose he or she can say anything to you, and if you have to judge at that time that if it is correct or not. If it is not correct you have to speak the correct sentences. And after that the test will be submitted and you have to wait at least 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, when you will wait, then you will see okay you have cleared this communication round, and then you will move to next email writing. So guys, if you receive this email writing, make sure you are not doing any grammatical mistakes, because I have seen many of the guys from the previous phases, they have made email writing mistakes. They have written so many grammatical errors, and they have done so many errors in the email writing, and the score has very low in the communication assessment, and they didn't get interview mails after that. So make sure you are not doing any mistakes of email writing. Make sure you are typing the exact words, exact sentences, easy sentences. Don't make up any complex sentences. Make easy sentences. Try to try to memorize few easy sentences, and according to that just make your email writing very easy, and don't do any grammatical mistake in that. So your communication round will be done, and definitely you will be getting the interview mails. Okay, so don't do this mistake, and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are remaining last in the video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video, and if you have any doubts just let me know in the comment section. I'll be answering every doubts in the comment section. Okay, thank you guys.